G'day, my name's Jezza and today I'm going to be replacing my engine mounts. Australia is home to some of the toughest vehicles ever built. They cross deserts, they tow caravans, they survive hundreds and thousands of kilometres, but nobody talks about what holds them together. And this is where the Land Cruiser is struggling. I first realised that the engine mounts needed replacing when I was in Bentleby with Ethan, and as I was driving up the hills in low range 4-wheel drive, I saw that the gear stick was moving heaps more than it should be, and that just led me to do some investigating, and I found that both front engine mounts were badly cracked. The way I'll pull out the old engine mounts is with either a spanner or a socket, and I'll just take off all 4 nuts that hold the engine mounts on. There's obviously 2 on either side. And then I will jack the engine up on one side and replace that one, and then do the same for the other side. Otherwise it's just too much to jack the whole engine up at one time and replace both of them. I've got a bit of wood to use as well, just to spread the load as I'm jacking the engine up, just so I don't damage anything. But yeah, following this process, I think it should be relatively straightforward. Once I'd cracked the bolts on both engine mounts, I jacked up the sump with a bottle jack and a bit of wood, just to spread the load, and I could lift the engine up all the way enough so that the engine mount came loose and I could eventually wiggle them and pull them out, which is pretty cool. I then used the trolley jack on the other side and got success as well. When I first saw the driver's side mount, I knew that we were running out of time. I'll be honest, I did not think we'll recover from that. There's an old saying that comes to mind when I think of this moment and the journey it's been today, and it's of Roman origin, and it states that when you reach for the stars, the second shelf isn't good enough. This journey, the pain, the hardships, all at the end of the day has become worth it to the joy and the triumph of knowing that this cruiser is now more reliable because of it. And I know all of you will just carry on with your lives, doing what you were doing before this video, but deep down, you know, something has changed. Something has become slightly better in this world. There's a little bit of evil that's been removed. We're good! We're good! Woo! Yeah! Now I know this video is not the same style as our previous ones, but was it better? Was it worse? Let me know, I don't know. I'm just one making videos, you're the one watching them, so did you enjoy it, or do you want something a bit more serious? Because that was pretty stupid. And that's pretty bad because I'm the one that made it and I'm the one saying that, so anyway, subscribe for more.